If you're looking to get rid of crap in Windows 11, meaning unnecessary bloatware, background processes, telemetry, or anything that slows things down or invades privacy, here's a practical step-by-step guide. 1. Uninstall bloatware. Many Windows 11 systems come with pre-installed apps you don't need. Settings, apps, installed apps, sort by install date or size. Remove things like Xbox Game Bar unless you use it, Candy Crush, TikTok, Spotify, pre-installed, trial antivirus like McAfee or Norton. 2. Disable startup programs. Startup apps slow down your boot time. Control-Shift-ESK to open Task Manager, go to Startup Apps, right-click and disable anything unnecessary. OneDrive, Teams, Spotify. 3. Harden Windows security without overhead. Turn off Smart Screen for Microsoft Edge if you use another browser. Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security, App and Browser Control, enable memory integrity under Core Isolation, if performance allows. 4. Disable unused network protocols. Go to Network and Sharing Center, Adapter Settings. Right-click Adapter, Properties. Uncheck QoS Packet Scheduler, Microsoft LLDP Protocol Driver, Link Layer Topology Mapper. 5. Remove annoying system sounds. Settings, System, Sound, Advanced, Sound Control Panel. Go to Sounds tab, choose No Sounds from dropdown, or manually remove things like Notification System, exclamation, asterisk. 6. Disable virtual memory, only with 16 GB plus RAM. If you have enough RAM and don't run huge apps, System Properties, Advanced, Performance, Settings, Advanced, Virtual Memory. Uncheck Automatically Manage. Set No Paging File. Monitor stability. This can break apps that assume page file is there. Thanks for watching. If this helped clean up your Windows 11, smash that like button. Subscribe for more no BS tech tips. And let me know in the comments what crap you ditched. Catch you in the next one.